A welding hammer is an essential tool for welders, designed to chip away slag and smooth out welded surfaces for a clean and professional finish. Crafted from hardened steel, the hammer features a dual-ended head, one side with a sharp chisel for precise slag removal, and the other with a pointed tip for breaking apart stubborn debris. The handle is often designed with a coil spring or rubber grip to absorb shock, reducing hand fatigue during prolonged use. Whether you're working with stick welding, SMAW, flux-cored arc welding, FCAW, or other processes that generate slag, a welding hammer ensures that excess material is efficiently removed without damaging the underlying metal. The robust construction makes it suitable for heavy-duty industrial applications, while its ergonomic design allows for effortless maneuverability. Whether in a workshop or on a construction site, this tool is indispensable for maintaining weld integrity and achieving the smooth, polished appearance required for high-quality metalwork. Beyond its basic function, a welding hammer plays a crucial role in overall welding efficiency and precision. The balance and weight of the hammer are carefully engineered to provide enough force to chip away hardened slag without excessive effort, making it easier for welders to maintain control and accuracy. Some advanced models even feature anti-vibration technology to further minimize strain on the user's hands and wrists. Durability is a key factor, with most welding hammers made from heat-treated steel to withstand repeated impact against tough metal surfaces. Additionally, rust-resistant coatings help prolong the tool's lifespan in high-temperature and high-humidity environments. Whether used by professional fabricators, metalworkers, or DIY enthusiasts, a high-quality welding hammer is more than just a simple tool. It is a critical component in achieving strong, aesthetically pleasing welds that stand the test of time.